I want to talk about remote control options when you're using CueCam. I'm not going to go into great detail of everything, but two in particular. One is itself Video Pencil. And I'm going to run through launching Video Pencil. And so now I'm coming from the Video Pencil interface, and we can draw, of course, all the tools are here. But Video Pencil is sort of an override in that it's the top layer. That drawing goes over the camera feed that's coming into CueCam. CueCam puts it at the top layer. And to show you this, I can even have the back camera, let's say, override, and that's what's coming out of my iPad. Think of Video Pencil as what it wants to do. That's what you're going to get. So you can go in and get media. Let me see if I could find an interesting photo. And I'm going to pick it out of my media picker. And there we have parts of Monterey Bay. And Video Pencil has these amazing controls where I can walk through a presentation or I can put aside. And the layer underneath is revealed, or the next slide is triggered from the iPad. So in this way, the Video Pencil is really your #1 remote control device. Another great way to remotely control what you're showing through CueCam is to use the Keynote Remote feature of your iPhone, running Keynote and controlling Keynote on your Macintosh. So here's my iPhone, and I've got Keynote running here. And when I select this icon for sharing, once I have it set up, I can now play this slideshow going back and forth. And it's really a straightforward exercise with my thumb on my iPhone. However, it's not as straightforward to actually do the setup. What I had to do in Keynote was to enable in settings, enable Keynote Remote. Once I have that in play, I have to play the slideshow. I want to mirror that slideshow so it stands alone. And then I have the presenter mode, and then I can play from my remote that way. And it all works beautifully when you have it set up. So using your iPhone or using your Video Pencil on your iPad, CueCam can respond to what you need to show in many different situations.